So the thing is, whenever you are in play mode, you hit the pause button, you go into scene and you start editing stuff. And I have seen most of the people do this. Unity cannot save your progress if you're in the game mode and you're editing stuff. So a cool way to prevent this is just to go into edit, preferences, and where it is written colors, click on that, and it is written play mode tint right here in the general tab. This color, just change this color to be like red or whatever you like, and that's basically it. Now whenever you are in play mode, you will understand and you will not go on editing because it does not save your progress in play mode. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel Game Dev and Tech with Yash, and I will be back with another video.